Greetings! Tony from Old River Hard Goods again. And we're kind of rolling on our way to Jacktown. This is the spring flea market. It's a two-day event technically, Saturday and Sunday, but one, folks are set up on Friday, and two, the weekend weather is looking on the Kaidaki Rappy side. So, hopefully some folks will be set up today. Hopefully we'll do some pickings and see what we can find. And I'll keep the road trip stuff down to a minimum since nobody seems to like that too much, but you never know when I'll throw a little bit in. So, anyways, sit back and enjoy. This area up here is called Ross Commons. Years back, they used to have a Revolutionary War reenactment here in the fall. It was kind of neat. Now it's just kind of farmers' fields and whatever else they've been doing with it. There's some early houses here on the right side. And it's kind of a pretty area for sure. And this is the town of Wind Gap. I normally have a shortcut that I take. I pull off to the left up there and bypass a lot of this, but unfortunately they got that under construction a long time ago, back in, oh geez, when was that? 82, I guess. Used to live here. There's condominiums back in here, or townhouse apartments. Lived here for about a year and a half. And we're gonna stretch the drive out here. And we're here. Looks like I'm the second one in the parking lot. Oh, look at the grass. They don't have the handicap stuff put set up yet, so I guess I'm just gonna land it up here. And it's gonna be fun. Oh well. Nothing like having the heroes and drive in and walk around up. So, time to go see what we can find. Well, it's about 8 a.m. here, and a few folks are set up. I managed to land a couple things so far, but yeah, we'll see. Morning's early. No big hurry. Got nothing much to do, so we will see what shows up. Yeah, this is the front section. As you can see, it's pretty light yet. A few people set up. I managed to score a few things, but I'm definitely going to take some walking to find anything real good if I get lucky. So back to the hunt. Well, that's a wrap for today. 2 hours of walking, and like I said, I got a few things. Nothing really great, but I got a couple of neat tools. So, time for the shop run and see what we got. And we're back. Said I got a few things, but let's take a quick look. This is a 3-pound Atha blacksmith cross-peen hammer. Kind of neat. Farriers, pistol punch, and offset tool, all stuck on the same handle. A well-used brass hammer, but good handle on it. Kind of neat hammerhead. Somebody painted it, but it looks to be forged. Square punch die on it, so that should clean up okay. Don't know how the handle is going to survive the process. A small old woman's tooth style router plane. A Starrett cross test level. I think it's the number 136 or 138, something like that. Pretty clean. This is a Stanley bell system brace. That's all that's marked on it that I can see. It's the newer style with this style of ratchet on it, but it does have the Yankee chuck. This is interesting. It's a little tap, screw box, whatever you want to call it. It's got sizes marked on it. They're under the rust there, but I know it should clean up okay. User made, but pretty neat. Vintage protractor. Don't know if it's brass, it's stained and funky, or it was brass plated, but I guess we'll find out. Orphan gimlet bit. Always can use those. Could use a lot more of them. And a pair of wood spoke shaves. This one's got a mark on it. I forget who made them, but blades need some cleaning. This one, the body needs some cleaning. The blade needs some cleaning. Hopefully they'll come out. So, not a super big pile, but as I say, it's better than no pile at all. And we'll have to see if I make it back there tomorrow. Well, I didn't go back to Jacktown on Saturday because they were calling for rain. First it was supposed to rain all night, and then it was supposed to start at 9, and it was supposed to start at 10, and I just said, yeah, because I've already been there when they said it was supposed to start at 10, and it started at 8, and just wasn't really worth the ride. So, and as it turned out, it didn't start raining there till noon. But anyways, so I got up this morning and headed to Saylorsburg first, and then went back to Jacktown, made a pass around there, and then ran over to Orgsburg. Got a whole lot of miles on the body and on the beast. So, and unfortunately, some of the video I took at Jacktown didn't come out right because I was using my other phone for doing it. And sometimes that video is a little funky if you don't hit the right buttons in the right sequence. This one's a one and go, and I should have been carrying it, but I didn't. So anyways, let's take a quick look at what I did catch at Jacktown, and we'll take a look at the tools I got. And yep, there is mud. Down on the roads is not too bad, but up here on the roads, yep, it's pretty gooey. A few more people set up down in this area today. Just doing kind of the quick walk around before I take off and head over to Orgsburg. I gotta get out of the road before I get killed. Well, it's about 8:30, and I'm done here at Jacktown for this trip. I did manage to find a few goodies. Sock's pretty heavy. Now I got to do the hour, probably 40-minute ride over to Orgsburg because I got some stuff to get over there. Maybe not tools, but usual veggie run. Clock so far, a little over 3 miles of walking, and I'm feeling it pretty good in the legs. So this is not going to be fun. But anyways, off we go. Well, as you can see, it's raining now. Boy, this weekend's weather just has not been a whole lot of fun. I'm about halfway to Orangeburg, still got a ways to travel, so, oh man, what are you gonna do, right? And here are the pickings from Sunday. Usually on Sundays, it's tough. You know, the place has been hit pretty hard, and I'm sure I missed a whole bunch of stuff yesterday, but what are you going to do? But I did get this big mallet. Not too bad, a little dinged up, but it feels like burl. Kind of looks like burl. We'll see when I get it cleaned up. A pair of number 12 Hall and Round planes, no maker's mark, but they were made by the same hand. A bigger cobbler's hammer, didn't see a maker's mark on it. A few dings on the face, but not too bad. Number 2 rivet set. Well, these things ain't getting any easier to find. Small forged tapered reamer. Somebody did the artistic paint job on. A star logo. I believe that's still in Atherton, but I got to double check that. Cobbler's tool, just need some of the morning dew removed from it. A little brass violin, makers or instrument makers shave. Not too bad a shape. Hopefully that blade will clean up okay. Stanley screwdriver tip. A couple more gimlet bits to add to the pile. A Union 4-inch hermaphrodite caliper. Again, needs a little cleaning. A Union 2-inch outside caliper, and a Starrett C316R with hundreds, 50th hundredths, and usual stuff on the back, with a handy dandy pocket protector made of leather. So, hey, not the best load I've hauled out of there, but it sure beats nothing. Well, that's it for this one, folks. As always, I hope you enjoyed my little presentation. I hope you learned something. If you liked what you're seeing, please hit that subscribe button to be notified when new videos are posted. Thanks for watching, and bye.